Another haul for Faithart Design Studio. This one's from Temu. I know there's a lot of controversy about Temu. I bought this package, was full of lace and trims, and you cannot beat the prices. So I thought I would show you what I got. And came in time. Came within like 8 days, so that's pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, one more piece in there. So this time I bought a couple pieces of fabric, which I can definitely use in my junk journals. And of course, I haven't opened any of this. Let's see what this is. This is like a Parisian type of a, actually it's really nice. So it looks like it's maybe half a yard, which I think it is. So that'll be fun to use. That was, let's see, $2.78, I think, for some of these pieces of fabric. Yeah, that one actually was $2.28, so that was a good deal. And then I bought this, which, I don't know, I wasn't impressed when I just looked at the bag. So let's see what happens when I go inside. It was supposed to be pieces of fabric. Oh, that's not too bad. Well, clearly it's cotton. So you get 5 pieces for $2.98. Well, you can't even get one piece of this, even at Walmart. Ooh, this is a pretty piece. I can definitely use that. And I like these flowers, so that's a pretty piece. Oh, this is, of course, this is the best part. I love this one. That one's really pretty. So I got all that for $2.98. And then I got another Paris one, which I think is different. So let's see if it is different. One of them was $3.70. I think it's this, because this is actually a much bigger piece. Yeah, that's a pretty cool piece. So you can see that. So that was, let's see, $3.78. Well, even if I got half a yard, that's still cheaper, because I know most of the fabric costs, you know, $9, $12, $15 a yard. I got this. Let's see what this is. This is just some pretty fabric, like a binding part. That was $1.98. Then I got all this fun lace stuff. Okay, $1.16 for sari ribbon. I got 2 of these. I got a beige one, and then I got this peach colored one or neutral one. Some of these pieces of lace are just stunning. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That's about a 2-inch wide piece. That I paid $1.48. So I probably have, let's see, yeah, a yard. So you get a yard of 2-inch wide lace for $1.48. You cannot get that anywhere. I already know that. And then they have these really cool, like, embroidery necklace things. I don't understand. I guess you're going to put it on a dress. But look how beautiful that piece is. And what did I pay for that? That was $1.48. So that piece is beautiful. That would be great on a junk journal. $1.48 for another piece. And the white, if I don't want it to be white, I'm just going to coffee dye it. So this is $1.48. Another 2. This is, oh, look how pretty that piece is. Isn't that nice? So you can see it against the black. Lots of fun things. So one thing I do recommend, do not use their app. If you go directly to your browser and just put in Temu.com, because there's been all this controversy about their app supposedly gets all your private information. This is $1.53. Look how beautiful that is. Look how gorgeous that would be, you know, on the back of a journal, a junk journal. So when you use the just .com, it doesn't act the same way. At least that's what I think. I don't know, and it doesn't matter to me because this is not copying somebody's personal designs. Another really pretty piece of beige. This is probably $1.48. Okay, look at this one. This is quite interesting. This has pearls and some gold thread in it. This was $2.11. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? That is just going to be beautiful. $1.48 again. So you don't tell them how much they give you. It just that's the way the package comes. They cut so much. Look at that one's very pretty also. See, against the black background. That's pretty. And then I decided to get, it looked more blush on the screen, but that's okay. Because again, if you don't like the color of anything, coffee dye or spray it with any of the Tim Holtz Ranger sprays. Oh, look how pretty this is. Now those are gorgeous. See, I can cut one of those off at a time, and that makes just gorgeous flowers. And this was $1.48. Oh, another really pretty piece. Look how pretty that is. I thought this one looked interesting. $1.48. Oh, look at this one. I love the three lines. Isn't that one pretty? And let's see. And I think this is very different. I think this is one of those, yes, this is one of those necklace pieces that you would put around the top of a dress. Isn't that one just stunning? That's just gorgeous. You can't buy that stuff. At least I haven't seen it at Joann's or anything like that. Here's another $1.48 piece of lace. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Look how pretty that is. So basically you just go into the search, and I just put lace and trims, I think is what I did. Another gorgeous one. Look at that. That's probably like 3 inches. I think this whole order was $38. Oh, here's another collar. This is another thing that was supposed to be going around. Yeah, we go around the neck of a dress, but it's beautiful cotton, and it's beige. It's gorgeous. Another really pretty piece. I like the big wide ones because they make a really nice statement. You can actually see, excuse me, see the design. I think this is another one of those. Oh, no, no, no. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. Isn't that stunning? Wow. Let's see if I can find how much that was. A pink one? I can't find the price on it. The necklace part, but they're $2 and $3. Like I said, you can't find this in the U.S. I haven't seen it. And then I, of course, wanted to get some of the light bulb pins to pin things on my junk journal. And if you get them gourd pins, they cost $1.34. So they're really good. So that's my haul. I hope you'll check out Temu if you're just starting up, or if you want to add some really unusual and interesting laces to your junk journal. For not a big investment, you get a lot of items to use in junk journaling. Blessings.